Hey guys, welcome to the tech element of the finance chair. So recently I did a factory reset on my laptop because I wanted to sell it, and I ended up with a boot loop. I'm going to be dropping the videos on how it went so that it can help somebody out there. You all know that all what I do is give easy way out on how to solve those things, right? So on this day I decided that okay, let me reset my laptop because I already have a buyer. And why did I do a factory reset? I ended up having a boot loop. Instead of after the factory reset, normally you're supposed to load the laptop, supposed to load the Windows, then reset the laptop as if I just really bought it. However, that was not what happened. I started having a boot loop. The laptop started rebooting, restart, rebooting, restart, rebooting. Then I reached out to my computer engineer, and he was like, I know that since the laptop is old, that it feels the motherboard issue, blah 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 blah. And I'm like, I don't think it's motherboard issue. It's supposed to be, it's one of two things. Since the Lenovo um logo is popping up, there is most likely going to be a Windows issue. So the best is for you to reinstall another Windows and it starts working. And he was like, oh, he's not sure that will work. And I was like, try it out whether it will work. So I told him to use the USB um, Windows install option, whereby your laptop isn't booting properly, so you just have to go through the BIOS setup method, right? And you insert a USB that already has a Windows installed, probably a Windows 11 or a Windows 10. But I would advise somebody that is using an old school laptop should try to use a Windows 10 Windows to install, because Windows 11 is very heavy and sometimes the laptop will just be hanging unnecessarily. So I told him that he should use a USB install option, but however he should put a Windows 10 in the USB. So that was what he used in putting the system. And when he did that, my laptop started working very well, started working perfectly. That was how I was able to resolve a boot loop in which your laptop is coming up, the logo of the system is coming up, right? It basically means that the laptop is unable to load the Windows. So all you need to do is reinstall another window and your laptop will be perfect. Please do not allow a computer engineer tell you another thing. A lot of times they usually misdiagnose laptops. So what you should do is try to stay informed so that you don't have your laptop misdiagnosed, right? I hope that helps somebody out there. That is one way of solving a boot loop issue. Number two, there is another boot loop issue whereby your laptop, when you turn on your laptop, the logo will not pop up at all. It will just be showing a black screen, right? A black screen, but the logo will not pop up. Then it goes off again. If you are in that category 2 of a boot loop whereby the logo is not coming up, you can't even boot it using F12 or F2 or F11. You can't even boot it. Then it is going to be an hard drive issue. What I would advise is, if you can open your laptop by yourself, remove the hard drive, right? Remove the hard drive and install another hard disk. Do you understand? But if you cannot do that, you can easily get a computer engineer to try to test it with another hard drive and boot Windows from there. Do you understand? Do you get what I'm trying to say? So don't allow, because a lot of time when your system is just coming up and it's just showing the dark screen, a lot of time they'll tell you it is motherboard issue. Meanwhile, it is not motherboard issue. It is most likely an hard drive issue, because before your system boots, it requires the hard drive to boot it. Do you understand? So these are the two methods. The first method, the logo is showing. The second boot loop issue, the logo is not showing at all. It's just a dark screen. If it's a dark screen, it's most likely an hard drive issue. All you need to do is get a new hard drive, put the hard drive, turn on the system using the recovery option, and use the USB boot option to boot your system. What do I mean by using the USB option? You have a USB that is loaded with Windows 10, Windows 11, and you boot it with that. That's basically what I'm talking about. I hope this helps somebody out there. You are welcome. I am going to be dropping videos of the processes as I am talking, so that you are able to grab what I am talking about. Do you understand? Bye for now. Talking about. Do you understand? Bye for now.